G'day guys, so I had a video ages ago wherein I was talking about the wayfarers and how to fix it if it's too loose on your face, and it was more of a vlog. I was just vlogging and I didn't mean to see you guys going there and clicking on it. I'm sorry for those who got offended and think they're clickbaited. The thing is, I was just doing my vlog and enjoying my life. But anyway, here's the quick answer to that. You just if you have a wayfarer that's like not tight with your face, it falls off, whatever, what you can do is get a blow dryer, not a gun but a blow dryer, blow dry it here in the middle, heat it up, and once it's heated up you can just bend it like that. So just do it slowly, and you can bend it till it cools down. Just keep on holding it, don't overdo it because it's gonna melt the frame. And if you think this one here needs a bit of help, then you can just blow dry the side of it, heat it up, and bend it while it's still hot. Though it comes back after a while, it just opens up again, and you can just go ahead and heat it up also. So what you need to make sure is that don't overdo it, because you might burn the plastic and melt it out. At the same time, you can use a heat gun, but I think a heat gun is overkill, and I don't know, I don't have a heat gun. But yeah, blow dryer, you can see it anywhere. If you go to a hotel, you can use it. Other than that, thank you guys for clicking on that video. I'm sorry for getting your hopes up on it. I was not doing a tutorial. Take care, guys. Bye.